Here is some data that I copied and pasted from a Word file. So to do that, all I did was go into the Word file, highlight all the columns, copy, and then came over to this empty Excel worksheet and paste it. And it looked something like this. Now I want to look at wrapping these headings so that they are a little narrower and they fit on several lines within one cell. So you can, let me just change it so that they wrap. See, here's the wrap text button, and if you click it to select it, then you could just start to bring this in if you wanted it wrapped that way. But as soon as the column gets wider, the wrapping goes away. So to force it to wrap, what you do is click somewhere in between the two words and press Alt and then Enter. And the same with this. Now if I make this really wide, it stays wrapped, and then I can also center it if I want. And the same with this. I would just go in between the two words, Alt Enter, Alt Enter, and then I want it centered. And then the same thing with this. And now you can see, even if the column gets really wide, it's going to stay wrapped. And that's what we want. We want to have some control over our formatting. And then we can double click here and it will adjust your sizing, or you can pull it in. So once you get that done, sometimes you'll want to sort your data. To sort your data, you can just click on one of these and try to sort it, but sometimes that ends up with just one column being sorted, and then all your data is bad because you only sorted one column and the rest of it stayed the same. So to sort, you select all the data, select everything, and I just click in the corner here to select the whole worksheet. Then go to Data, then Sort, and then does your data have headings? Yes, in this case it does. And then if I want to sort, I can do Sort by Code, which is what I want, and I can do multiple sorts if that's what I want to do as well. Then when you click it, it's sorted, but it's kept every record or row intact.